In this video, I want to clarify the definition of mode. In one of the videos that is posted as a lecture resource in Blackboard, the presenter made an error in defining mode and giving an example. So I want to define it here for you. Now the text is absolutely correct. So the definition in your textbook for mode is a piece of data that occurs the most frequently. So for example, let's say that we had a data set that included the following numbers. And let's say that this was ages of children who lived on your street. So I'm going to list the numbers 3, 5, 9, another 9-year-old, a 10-year-old, and a 13-year-old. So out of that data set, or that set of observations or observed values, the number of the observation that occurs the most would be 9. So out of that data set, we would say that 9 is the mode. Okay. And so you can have just one mode of a set. Let's say that we took that same set though and added another child's age. Let's say that there was another 10-year-old. And in finding mode, it's not necessary for the order of your data to be increasing or decreasing. We simply have to have the list of all of the different observed values. So in this case, we had 2 9s, but we also have 2 10s. So we would say that 9 is the mode, but also 10 is a mode. I guess we'll change this to 9 is one of the modes, but also 10 is a mode. And this is a case where if you look in your textbook example, it says if two values in a set of data occur more often than all the other data, we consider both these values as modes and say the data are bimodal. So that would be an example of a bimodal set of data. Now another example would be, what if I had these different data values? Let's say 6, 10, 13, 14, and 19, and you were asked to find the mode. Now in that case, there are no values or no pieces of data that occur more frequently than any others. They all occur only once. So we would say in this case that there is no mode. Make sure that in your answers, if I'm asking what is the mode, please don't write 0 as an answer. That wouldn't imply that it was no mode. That would give me 0 as a piece of data, and we don't have that. So the way that you would answer it, make sure you just read your instructions, would either be the words no mode, or maybe in my math lab, maybe they say if there's no mode, type the letter N. You'd want to read your instructions for to make sure you enter your answers correctly. Let's see, let's do one or two more quick examples. These are pretty quick and easy. Let's say I have a list of data, 18, 22, 31, 18, 22, 46, and 57. And you're asked on that to find the mode. Here we've got 18 occurs twice, but also 22 occurs twice. So this is a bimodal set of data where 18 and 22 are both the modes. So hopefully that clears up the definition of mode for you. If you have any questions, send me a quick email.